So this right here is my shoe storage. It's not very convenient. I have shoes stacked up there, stacked up in the corner, and stuffed in this little plastic drawer set. And I was thinking of building a new one, and I remembered we have all this PVC pipe that we bought for portable changing rooms. We built some portable changing rooms with extra curtains we had. I think I'm going to take these and build a shoe rack for right there. Right there. All these pipes cost us, there's a bunch in here too, cost us $30, and I won't be using all of them, so the shoe rack should be very cheap. Probably about 15 bucks maybe less. And it should be easy enough to build. This is something you could do with minimal tools. I think they got those tube cutter scissor things that you could buy for very cheap, for pretty cheap. This could be something you could build for under $20 and have a nice shoe rack. I'm gonna spray paint it too, so I guess I spent $6 on the spray paint, but that's what I'm gonna do. Let me get started. Looks like I blew a fuse. All right. Let's see if we can figure this out. There. We're back. That's fun. Lots and lots of fun. Alright, I got the last two cut. Hopefully I don't need any more. I will. I will definitely need more. That's the base of it. And that's the idea. Just gonna set my shoes right on top of it. Needs to be Alright, top and bottom done. The saw makes a mess, but it was quick. I think the tube cutters, little scissor-like things, would probably be a little bit easier. And definitely less messy. Now I just made all my measurements based off of size of this boot right here. It's not my biggest boot, but it's close. So nothing's precise really. Cool thing about this is that whenever I want to, I can just add another layer, pop these off, and put another shelf on. I can go as tall as I want, in theory. Right now, this is all the pieces I have. And right now, that'll work. There it is. Probably $10 to $15 shoe rack that can be extended higher and higher if I want. going to spray paint it. I bought dark bronze, hammered bronze. Very breezy out here, and it might start raining. I ran out of spray paint. That stuff goes quick. Oh well, I got the visible parts of it done. I get to put the non-spray painted side to the back of the wall until I buy more spray paint. I'm gonna let it dry and get it put downstairs. There it is. Took me, before I started painting, probably less than 10 minutes to put together. And I'm sure if you go into Home Depot or Menards, they will cut this PVC down to size for you. I have 3-foot long pieces here, just connectors, and then I cut those to measure the size of these boots and stuff I have. And I'm using three-fourths. Pretty solid. Doesn't flex much. So simple and cheap. Anyone could do this. Yeah, just go in there, get some pipe, have them cut it, come home, put it together, spray paint it any color you want, and then you've got a shoe rack. It looks pretty good. Alright, that's it for today. My little, very cheap, probably the cheapest, fastest DIY project I've done. Well, maybe not cheapest. We did last year build another shoe rack out of pallet wood we found. Didn't spend any money on it because we had screws laying around, and we just used a saw that we have. And that one is right here. It's a little bit bigger, much bigger, but that one was free. So shoe racks, cheap and easy to do, no matter what you want to do with it. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next time.